Hi besties, how are you doing today? I believe you're doing pretty well. Greetings and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I want to talk about some of the things that we do that are ruining our skin, some of the things that we do deliberately or even not knowing that are ruining our skin, so that you will avoid it if you want to have that glowing, beautiful, natural skin. Okay, so guys, the first thing we'll be talking about is skin bleaching. The honest truth is most people think when you have a light skin, or maybe when you have a fair skin, you are more beautiful. Some persons think that when you have a fair skin, you stand to attract more people, especially women. When you have a fair skin, you stand to attract many men. That's what most people think, because I've had conversation about this with some of my female friends, and they are like that they don't care, that they like fair skin, that they don't care, that they are going to use any product as long as it's a lightening product, because that it will make them, that they will attract more men, it will make them more beautiful, and so the honest truth is skin bleaching comes with a lot of complications. Skin bleaching comes with a lot of issues. There are some persons, you will see them, they are bleaching their skin, they have skin odor, like they have body odor. The honest truth is skin bleaching can give you body odor. I've also seen some persons that they have bleached their skin to the extent their skin have injury all of it, their skin small teeth, they have injured. Some persons they have white patches, some persons they have small dots, all this black all over their skin, due to the length of bleaching that they have done on their skin. The rate of skin bleaching, all these things that they have been bleaching their skin. One of the things you need to stop doing is skin bleaching. Some people, they don't call it skin bleaching, they will call it skin whitening this one, whitening that one, whitening. You need to stop it in this 2025. If you really want to have that beautiful glowing skin, make sure you stop using it. This whitening, this one, this whitening this one, especially for a long period of time. Any product that contains hydroquinone in it, the honest truth is some product, they don't even contain hydroquinone in it. But if you're someone that knows about skincare products, when you open a product that contains hydroquinone in it, you are going to perceive it, you are going to know. Okay, from the smell, you are going to know that this particular product contains hydroquinone in it, and you need to avoid it. Okay, because when you take care of your skin, when your skin looks radiant and beautiful, looks natural, you're going to love your skin more. Because I've seen a lot of people, caramel skin, even fair skin people, dark skin people that do not bleach their skin looks so flawless, healthy and beautiful. So you need to stop skin bleaching, because it is ruining your skin. Another thing you also need to pay attention to is what you put in your mouth. Yes, you need to pay attention. There is no way you want to have this beautiful skin. You want your skin to look radiant, you want your skin to shine, you want your skin to look this flawless, but you don't eat fruits, you don't eat vegetables, you are always eating sugary food, you're always eating fried food, you don't eat protein, you don't eat fiber, you don't drink enough water, you don't eat fruit. There is no way your skin is going to look flawless unless you have a very good natural skin. Unless you have a very good beautiful skin naturally, unless you just have it natural. Because some persons are born with good skin naturally, that they don't even need to do too much on their skin. Okay, but if you're not born with good skin naturally, please pay attention to what you eat. Eat more of vegetable, eat more of fruits, drink enough water. Even if you don't have money to get vegetables, fruits, please, at least water. Okay, drink enough water. This is very important, because many people, they don't pay attention to what they put in their mouth, what they put in their body. There's no way you eat all this dairy, fried food, and expect your skin to flow and look flawless like someone that eats more fruit and vegetable. Okay, another thing that we also do that ruin our skin, that we need to pay much attention to and try and stop it, is how often we scrub our body. How often you use body scrub, how do you scrub your body. Some persons think that if you don't scrub very hard, you are not going to get rid of all the dirt, you're not going to get rid of the dirt, so you're not washing your body very well. The thing is, when you scrub very well, when you scrub with the hardest sponge, when you scrub with the iron sponge, that's when you are bathing very well. But the honest truth is, no, instead you are ruining your skin. You're not supposed to be so hard on your skin when scrubbing your skin. And another thing is, regards to body scrub, you're not supposed to use body scrub more than twice in a week. See, using body scrub once or twice in a week will do the job. You're not supposed to use body scrub every day. You are ruining your skin. Exfoliating your skin every day will ruin your skin. So please do not exfoliate your skin, and stop being so hard on your skin when scrubbing. When scrubbing, mind the kind of sponge you use on your skin. Okay, so another thing we also need to pay very much attention to in this 2025 that is also ruining our skin and stop it is using what your friends use. Most times when your friend use a particular product and it's working so well on her, you try to get the product. They will be like, why is this product not working well on me? Because my friend uses this product and it also work well on her. The honest truth is, do you know if you have the skin type that your friend have? The honest truth is, most of you don't know your skin type. Most of us, yes, we don't know our skin type. And when you want to get a product, you don't know your skin type, and that product is not written for all skin type, then you get it. It might not work so well on you because it might not be for your own skin type. That's why it is very necessary and good you know your skin type, so that when you want to get product, you get it based on your skin type. Okay, it's not based on this is what your friend is using. If that skincare product is not written for all skin type, so be very careful so that you don't go and get something that will ruin your skin. Because your friend is using it and it's working so well on her, doesn't mean that when you use it, it is also going to work well for you. Okay, so be careful when it comes to using what your friend use. Okay, so another thing that you also need to stop doing that is also ruining your skin is supplements. Yes, see, supplement is very good, but it depends on the kind of supplements you take. Okay, when it comes to supplements, you see some persons, they will be like whitening collagen this one, whitening abotin this one, whitening injection this one, whitening injection. Be careful, because you see some celebrities injecting their skin, you see some persons taking this whitening this one. Be careful. See, I will always advise people, when you want to take a supplement, it's best you take natural supplements. Okay, take specific supplements like vitamin A. You're taking vitamin A. Okay, take supplements from fruits, from leaves, from sun when it's still very early in the morning. Okay, so be careful on this whitening supplement that you're taking. This glowing supplement, this one, where be careful, because there are a lot of skin issues, there are a lot of issues, and most times what people don't understand is what you take can also affect your health. Yes, do you know that skin bleaching can cause sickness? Most times when you bleach your skin so much, you intend to be sick. You just be sick anyhow. You don't even know that you are just sick because of the product you are using. So guys, please pay much attention to these things that I just listed, because a lot of us are using these things and they are ruining our skin without we even knowing. Okay, that's why I said let me just share this video. Please make sure you share this video so that a lot of people will benefit from this information. And please also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like the video. Okay, and please, do you mind dropping where you are watching me from in the comment section? I would really appreciate that. See you on my next video. Bye guys.